Well, this is part 5 of what have I done to my Ford pickup truck. So what I've done is this core support was badly rusted on the base. So I cut it out and installed a new one. I think everything is back in good shape. I've got it spot welded, and I actually did use some sheet metal screws to pull things in. I did tack it back in as well, but I figured I'm gonna leave those sheet metal screws in there. In the process, of course, I had my battery disconnected. I've had it disconnected actually for several days now. Unfortunately, when I went to start up the truck, it turns over, but I get a flashing theft light. So what I believe happened is that the truck isn't recognizing the key, or the chip in the key. And my understanding is I have to leave the ignition on for 10 minutes. I want to make sure I've got a good charge on it. I do that. I have to leave it on for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, to let the computer recognize the chip in the key and then allow the truck to start. So that is what I am waiting for right now, and we'll see how it goes.